Hey friends, and welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you how I kind of updated our spare change jar. So we kept our change in a vase, and I bought this vase at the Dollar Tree. It's not the vase that we originally kept everything in. I guess I could have done this to that vase, but if you saw my Dollar Tree haul, I was like, why did I buy this? So I bought it, so I thought I would go ahead and use it anyway. So I'm just taking the vase and I'm getting the sticker off, and I wanted to share with you the easiest way to get stickers off of things is I just take a bowl of some warm water and I'm using this LA Awesome OxyClean type stuff. I think the packaging is a little bit different now. The one that I got recently was like more laundry based. It's called like a LA Awesome Oxygen Laundry Booster. It's basically the same thing. And I just put a scoop in that water and set the vase with the sticker right on top of it, and I left it there for about 5 minutes. And 5 minutes later, I came back, pulled that up, and the sticker basically just slides right off of the glass. You can do this with all sorts of things. I like to do it with like mugs and plates, so anything where like the sticker is just really stuck on there, easy peasy. Look at that. Boom. Done. Now we can get on to our craft. So just make sure you clean your vase off really well. And I am going to spray paint mine with my favorite spray paint. I've used this in almost like all of my DIYs. It's in a lot of my decor. If you don't want to spray paint, you can most certainly chalk paint this. Just paint it with your favorite painting method. Mine just happens to be to spray paint it really quickly and be done with it. So after about 30 minutes, I went ahead and grabbed that glass, and I'm just going to wrap some twine around the top of the glass. And again, this is at Dollar Tree as well. And I'm going to tie just an easy, simple bow along with the twine. So I wrapped it around about like 3 times and then tied the bow. The bow is giving me just a bit of trouble because those tail ends were just a little bit tiny, but I just did it a second time and then it looked so much better. If you wanted to, you could add some hot glue underneath the twine or some E6000 just to kind of hold it in place if you're worried about it sliding around or if your vase is shaped so it's not going to hold in place very well. But mine seemed to be staying on there just fine, so I did not hot glue it. Next, I'm just taking these Dollar Tree hydrangeas. I love green, and when I saw these green hydrangeas, I just had to have them. And I'm not even taking the sticker off, but they are a little bit too tall for the vase. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna cut this. But what I ended up doing was just folding it in half and leaving it just like that, since you're not gonna see it through the vase anyway, and stuck it in. And it's perfect, like just popped right on top of the vase like that. And now I can take the change from our old change vase and add it into this change vase, and this sits in our kitchen, so we always just had this kind of vase full of money sitting on our kitchen counter. So now it will be a little more discreet, a little more hidden, even though I'm sharing it with YouTube that this is where our spare change is. But we can just add it in there now and pop these flowers kind of back inside. There's a whole bag of what are those? Bottle caps? Yeah, I don't know why a bunch of bottle caps. Do you have weird things in your spare change jar? You've got to let me know. Let me know in the comments what's the weird stuff in your change jar. So, and this was before. This is how our change jar looked before. And this is how it looks after. It's so much more streamlined. It's slender. I mean, It's probably not going to hold as much as was in the other one, but if we take out all those bottle caps, we'll probably be just fine. So we can just take our change, scoot those flowers over, and just stick it right in just like that. And no one is the wiser, and I don't have to see it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, you can find more from us here. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow all of our adventures. Give it a big thumbs up, tap that bell, and let me know in the comments what weird things are in your change jar and what do you use as a change jar right now. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.